it all and don't give in. Winning love like we're rolling. Got you falling on my skin. Take your chance, this is it. Oh, nah, nah.
Away. So recently, what issue? I had some sort of issue. I can't remember what it was. Oh yeah, my power steering hose blew off, and I went to go open my hood, and then the hood latch broke. So I've had this other hood lying around for a bit. It's like a race car hood, if you want to call it that. It's kind of like the GTR hood, but made out of fiberglass, and the vents are all closed. So with not wanting to get water on the engine, I haven't opened them, but basically what you can do is just cut it and open it. And this hood is in pretty bad condition. Like there's a dent there, there's some rust here, there's a scratch along there, which I'll show you. And now I've had to pull out the front grille. So if I just take it off here, so as you can see the scratch here, and then there's that dent over here, which isn't great, and then just some rust and that sort of stuff here. So I've decided to put, now that the latch is broken as well, I've decided to put this other hood on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let me pop this open, we can take it off and then get cracking. Not that the car is in great condition anyway, but so this won't make a lot of difference, I don't think. Let me pull out this water hose, which is just tucked in here. What's all that shit? So that's the water hose temporarily out the way. So now I just need to take off the nuts that are here. They are like 13s, I think. That's massive. They are 11s. Let me get something to hold this up quickly. Okay. So I need to take out the bottom ones because the top ones just slide in. Okay. So now this hood should theoretically just come up and away, hopefully. There we go. Heavier than I thought, or heavier than I remembered. So that's a wash on those, and then I just need 2 washes and 2 nuts ready to go. So when I put it on, I can be able to hold it up. Okay, sick. So if I take this hood up like this, like that. No, maybe like this. Like that, yeah. Way lighter as well. Oh shit. Okay. That was quite a good fit, really. Why is this bottom one not fitting? There we go. Okay, I can hold that. Get this on. Okay. Where'd I put that? Spinner. Where'd I put that socket there? Okay, this side can also go on. Okay. Okay. So that's not on there. Jesus. I have to take one of these off or something. How does that fit up there still? This one off first now. Yes. There we go. Hopefully, maybe. Okay, that's off. Get some. That's not looking too bad. Okay, I think that's the best it's gonna get. Okay, so the two yellow marks I made on the like hood bump stops, they're not gonna work because there's not enough surface area to get on with this hood. So I was thinking about doing it where they have it on the race cars, but then again it's not flat, so it looks like my best option is going to be where a hood latch should go, on the inside of that, and then maybe stick it through here and try get it straight, I guess. I don't know. That's actually sick. Okay. Okay. That will obviously need adjustment, but for now, there we go. That's not too bad. See where they hit under here. Don't know if we're gonna be able to see. Okay, so with those studs in, I've just put them in the hood latch holes, and then they are now hitting inside here. So I'm just gonna make a mark and then see if that's where I want it, but I need to lower it a bit and then carry on. Put a bit of shit on the top of these. Get things so I can also wipe it away. Yeah, boy. That's made the marks on the bonnet. Just got to drill these holes out quickly. 2 holes in the hood. Now that we've got 2 holes in the hood, that would be quite sick. Yeah, I'm liking that. Like that and like that. Boof, boof. Yeah, that's sick. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Going like that. Okay, so this one I've done so far, and yeah, so my phone died while I was doing that, so now that I've charged it, basically I have used this template to make a line, and I matched it up with this opening here, and then got that with the badge area, and then flipped it over, lined it up again, and then yeah, got this one. So that's that situation. I hope that's correct, but basically I'm just going to cut this now. I'm not too sort of like, I don't know about these, because the amount of flex in the hood, like I don't know how much material is actually holding that in, so hopefully 2 is good, but yeah, we're gonna see. So now I'm just going to cut this one. Oh, and the other thing I don't really know about, because I would think the screws would have been longer, but they're not. So you have to cut a hole in the bottom of your hood, and this is like sort of more supporting than the top bit. So there's the brackets there underneath, and then here's on top, and like how this flexes like that, how it's flexing there, I'm just not sure of how that's going to hold up on the road, but we'll see. Anyway, let's carry on with the other side. Ta-da! Okay, so now that that's in, we cut open a hole in the bottom so that we can see the top. Now we just cut a hole open here so we can see what we're looking at. Better. That's the hood latches in, and then I've just glued these vents in because they don't fit properly. So yeah, that's the hood latches, and then they go onto the original fittings there.